Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel and I'm back with another video. I know you saw the title, so you already know what's up. I'm going to show you guys how I did my DIY marble desk, how I went from this to this for under $10, so definitely stay tuned. Alright guys, so in today's video I will be showing you guys how I redid my office space in my home. I do not have a home office, but I have a home office space, if you feel what I'm saying. So I wanted to recreate that area in my home to make it more girly, more user friendly, more work friendly. If I'm going to sit there for hours on hand to edit videos and plan out content, I wanted it to be warm and inviting and of course girly. So I will also let you know how I recreated my desk. So it went from wood to marble. So if you're interested in any of that, definitely stay tuned. Alright guys, these are the items that you will need. This is the peel and stick wallpaper, scissors, an Allen wrench, and a credit card or scraper. As you can see here, I'm just disassembling the desk, removing all the screws to take it apart. That way I can better apply the wallpaper. This is the peel and stick paper that I did purchase from Amazon, and of course I will link the link in the description below. This can be used on old furniture, countertops, walls. It definitely has a multi-use, which is great. I'm just going to apply it on all areas of this desk. I also want to note here that there is a grid line on the back where you can measure as well as cut in a straight line, which is very important. I also do want to advise that you should measure the paper twice before cutting, just to make sure that you're using it to its best potential and so that you're not being wasteful. I forgot to show this in the beginning, but this is an X-Acto knife and I'll show you what I use this for in the end. You'll just see here that I'm just cutting where I've already measured. I'm going to start by peeling the corner back first before I just take off the whole backing of the paper. So I start in the corner and I peel the backing off as I go along, which you'll see demonstrated here. And guys, this is fairly simple. This was my first time doing this, but I think I got the hang of it pretty quickly. You see here that I have that Sam's card. So this is what the card or scraper is used for. I did not have a scraper, so this credit card or Sam's card worked great for its use. So you just scrape that out to alleviate any air bubbles. And as you can see here, I peel off the back paper as I go along. So I'm just making sure it's rounded on all of the edges. I'm going to go ahead and repeat this to the other side as well. Alright, we're just getting that lined up, and guys, I was so proud of myself. I was so proud. Like, look, this looks so good. I could not wait to finish it for you guys. Alright guys, as you can see here, I am almost done and I'm so happy. Although this did not take a long time, I did take breaks. I went to go eat. Then I came back a little later in the day to finish this up. As you can see here, I'm just taking that Sam's card to smooth out any air bubbles to make sure that everything is smooth. And I'm going to go ahead and get everything reassembled here. Alright guys, so as you can see here, we're just getting the screws put back in. We are almost done and it's looking so good. Oh, I was so proud. Oh my goodness, you guys have no idea. I definitely saved some money. I was going to purchase a desk that looked exactly like this, except it had gold legs on Amazon, but it was a marble desk and I was like, you know what? I can save that money and use it for something else. So that's exactly what I did. I also love to do DIYs. I love to put furniture together, different things like that. I consider myself to be very handy. But yes, guys, I love the way this came out. And I'm also going to show you guys my office space next. I was so happy about that as well. Now I'm going to show you guys here in the front. Right here, I noticed that there was a little part that I did not like. It wasn't as smooth as I wanted it to be. So I did remove part of that paper to smooth it out, which also showed you that you can peel this off and reapply it if need be, which is a great thing. So in case you mess up, you can definitely go back to correct it. And guys, this is the final look. I am so happy and pleased with my office space. Oh, it's so girly and so pretty. I love it so much. This red chair here I did purchase from IKEA along with this pillow. I put this chair together myself, which was easy. And you can see my desk back there in the back being great. I just have my little decor that I did pick up, which is very inexpensive. Most of these little pictures and these shelves especially I did get from Five and Below. So if you're familiar with that store, then you know that these were very inexpensive. They may have been $5 for both of the shelves together. Some of these little paintings I did already have, especially this pink one. I painted that myself, so I did want to keep it posted so that for everyone to see. I just have a little dry erase board, my iMac, which I will link above if you did miss that unboxing, and I have my Canon as well, which I will also leave above just in case you missed that unboxing as well. And I'm just showing you guys my little decor, my little marble mats. And this cup is so cute. Always be your own kind of beautiful. I do use this as like my pen cup for my scissors and things like that. I just thought it was really cute, and I love the gold detail, which ties into my shelves and my dry erase board. And guys, let me know what you think. I love it. I love it. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I had so much fun recreating this office space and repurposing my desk. I saved some money as well. I will of course leave the Amazon link down in the description below. If you found this video helpful and if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the final outcome. How do you think the desk looks? I really do appreciate your feedback, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye!